Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete TapTap Send account. Let's begin. So once you reach the TapTap Send website, you are going to click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. And then you are going to select Contact Us. Now it says Contact TapTap Send Support. So you could either send a message through email, or you can call them, or you can contact them via Facebook message. It says, there are many ways for you to contact the customer support team at TapTap Send. Simply open the three horizontal lines in the TapTap Send app and select Support to see all available options. Now, if you want to contact them through email, you're going to scroll down. Now, under the heading which is via email, you are going to see a link, an email link that you're going to tap, and then it's going to open up your email app, and then you can send them the relevant information. So when you're sending an email to the customer support, make sure that you include relevant documents and tell them that you want to close your TapTap account. Now, the other option would be to contact them through phone. So based on which country you're in, you are going to find your country, and then you're going to select the number which is associated with your country, and then you're going to try to call them and then tell them that you want to close your TapTap account. And there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and thank you for watching.